That's not the video.
The video. Well, it is a live shot. This is not a video. This is live.
Why you must make my gift look so bad?
Eh? Well, so you're wasteful.
Right.
Where's the video? It's coming. But that lady, Davina Bennett, representing Jamaica last evening in the Miss Universe contest. Remember Jens Dens came second a few years ago to Miss Mexico. This lady came third to Miss South Africa and Miss Colombia. Colombia's been involved in...
Long time. Right, that gave me goosebumps, just like it gave me goosebumps.
That means what? She's
night.
the third sex, yes? She's the third
She's
most
the
beautiful.
third
She's the third what?
Miss. So if the first Miss, if the Miss Universe loses a crown, and the first runner-up takes it. If first
No, but they're
runner-up loses
suggesting
a
that
crown,
she's the third best what?
There is no suggestion of any of that.
Okay.
We have Miss World too, so there's no.
By the way, some people are suggesting that she got robbed. There's this gentleman, Gayatri Anuradha. He says not all were happy with the results and expressed their anger on social media, saying Miss Jamaica was robbed of the title. Now, not Jamaicans are saying this.
There were boos in the crowd
Says,
when she was announced.
The backlash against the judgment soon began pouring in on Twitter, and some accused the pageant of being racist.
Oh.
One user tweeted, institutions like Miss World and Miss Universe and the Olympics are afraid of black power, black representation.
If that's the case, she probably wouldn't have got to the top three. But yes, the debate was robust on Twitter. I don't know if third was where necessarily I would have put her. I saw former queen saying, oh, this is not the right result.
Well, she should have come second or she should have won.
I think either I would have been happy. Fantastic
Number
job.
3. And it's apparent it's the most ever entered. It is said for the first time they had...
first time entrants. Laos was there, or Laos.
Three countries were there
Croatia?
for the first time. No,
Oh,
where did I
Laos?
read it? I read it somewhere here.
Cambodia, Laos, and Nepal.
Right. And they
For
said
the first time ever.
largest number of competing countries.
And she was third from a field of 92 contestants across the globe.
Brilliant.
Davina, we are so proud of you.
Very
you did us
incredibly.
proud, and you did yourself proud
Where
last
was it?
night.
Where was it?
Vegas.
Okay.
And let me tell you, your life I got take out. Some things I got up now. Just strap yourself in, girl. And hello to the folks in Mitchelton, Clarendon, who were celebrating last night. I am sure your daughter has made you proud, as she has made the entire Jamaica proud. So good on you, Davina.
We changed lanes. Honourable Minister of National Security suggesting that he would shortly bring to Parliament legislation to deny bail to individuals charged with gun crimes, and if convicted, they'd not be fined but face mandatory 15 to 20-year prison sentences. Listen to this. If you charge with a gun crime, no bail, no bail. Because so far this year, 143 Jamaicans have been murdered by men who are on bail for other charges. Eh? Well, that's a huge argument to use to deny them. 143 Jamaicans been murdered by men who are on bail for other charges. So he says with the new law, no bail. Why we can't fight that? We can't fight that.
Now, what about due process and constitutional rights and all the rest of it? Lawyers will tell you.
And I accept that, but if you're caught with an illegal gun, I think you lose your rights then. I think if you're caught with an illegal gun, an illegal one, I think you lose your rights. Simple thing. If you don't want to lose your rights, don't have no illegal gun.
This is not going to fly.
I know the lawyer's going to jump up and down.
We're going to put it in law that if you're caught with a gun, there will be a mandatory minimum sentence that you know when you get convicted, no fine. You're going to turn a prison for 15 to 20 years. That's not going to fly with lawyers.
An illegal gun, you must go to jail.
Did he say illegal?
Yeah.
If you're caught with a gun,
well,
I guess it would be illegal.
Illegal gun, yeah.
But I don't...
If you don't want to go to jail, don't have no illegal gun.
It's not going to fly, but...
Yeah. So I nearly got caught this morning again. The police nearly locked me up this morning again.
Into your aeroplane?
No, man, right here. It was right at the corner. I saw when the car kind of pulled back and the light turned off. But when I reached to the light, to be honest, I went through the red light because it's 4 o'clock in the morning. And I was actually told by a police officer friend that, Mr. Bailey, if you don't have to stop, make sure everything is clear because you don't know what I want. So as soon as I came around, I said the light turned on and the police officer started to come. But he saw me turning here and he was trying to get through the other gate, which was locked.
Lock.
And then he just never came in. I mean, I am here if they want me. I did go through. But why, officer, me I tell
But
you the
it's
truth.
4 o'clock in the
4
morning.
o'clock in the morning, I'm probably going to go through them.
But you know, the same police officers who tell you to do that, there's another set that will stop you and tell you you ought not to have done it. Because they did to me one morning up at Grand Spencer. And I stopped, I looked, I went through the light, and by the time I crossed over, whoop, 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 whoop.
Well, I have to be honest.
Mommy went through the light, yes I did.
It's
Sir.
because it's 3:30,
It's
4 o'clock.
4:45, yes sir.
Here.
I'm not stopping at that
I
light,
on the
sir.
road. Well,
Yeah.
no disrespect, but if everything
Neither.
clear and look good, I'm probably going to go through
Press,
it again.
press.
Yeah.
In this day and age?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So happy birthday to Shanique Samuels. Shanique, I hope you have an absolutely brilliant day today. You're a November person, so you must be a brilliant person.
Oh,
It's coming from
whatever.
your mom, your sister Cardella,
Da,
your
da,
boyfriend,
da, da,
your
da,
family
da,
from
da,
us
da,
here. So
da,
Shanique,
da, da,
I have a feeling you're old enough to have some ice cream and stuff. So deal with it and have a
How
great
old?
day today. I don't know.
Okay.
So I was going to say have some wine, but she might not be that.
No,
old.
no,
So I
no.
don't want to go there. So you must old enough to have ice cream. Though everybody old enough to have ice cream?
If you don't have sinus problem, sure.
Yeah. All right. No more.
All right. Neffel is going to tend to his belly while we take this break. We'll be right back with more.
Go and
on
joke
Smile
it out,
Jamaica.
man.
Take the tissue again.